Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the obvious electrical risk. Disconnect the negative battery terminal so the brake booster doesn't get energized or make ABS modules fault. Next, locate the check valve on the booster vacuum hose. Orientation matters because it's a one-way device. Using a small flat tool, gently lift any retaining clip and slide the clamp back. You want to break the seal without tearing the hose. Once done, twist the valve slightly to free it. Avoid pulling the hose off roughly, because that can crack vacuum lines. Now you need clearance. Reach both the engine bay and the firewall side, because the valve often wedges in a tight space. Hold the hose close to the booster with one hand to stabilize it, and with the other, twist the check valve back and forth while pulling outward. This shear force breaks adhesive and dirt seals. If it won't budge, spray a little penetrating lubricant where the valve meets the hose and wait 5 to 10 minutes. This softens contaminants and makes extraction safer. Finish by inspecting the valve and hose for splits or hardening. A compromised hose ruins vacuum integrity, so replace it if it's damaged. Install the new check valve in the same orientation as the original, arrow toward the booster. Then reseat the clamp and reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start the engine and test. There should be no hissing, and the pedal should firm up within 5 pumps. If you still hear a leak, press soap solution on joints to find bubbles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.